Hi, it's the Gluten-Free Maven here, and today I'm here to talk about some of my new fabulous finds in the gluten-free world. I have Garden Lights Veggies Made Great Spinach Egg White Frittatas. I found them at my local Costco in the freezer section. They're muffin size like many of the other Garden Light products, and they heat up in the microwave in about 3 minutes or the conventional oven, and you can grab one or two on your way to work or to school and heat them up for lunch. I think they're great for travel. You can bring them with you frozen and then put them in your fridge in your hotel room, and you have something that really keeps you full. It has spinach, peppers, and egg whites. Unfortunately, it's not dairy free. It contains some mozzarella cheese and milk, but it does state on the package clearly that it's gluten-free and it's only 70 calories. The next item I have are Geffen organic lentils. They've come out with a new line of pre-cooked and ready-to-eat lentils, and chickpeas is what I've seen so far. I'm not sure if they have any other legumes. What I like about it is it's really a great grab and go. Like if you're making a salad, throw in your lentils or some chickpeas, and you open it up. It's not a resealable container. That's my only critique. But you can roll it back down really small and put a chip clip in it and save it in the fridge. Now, I like it also for travel because it's pretty thin and you can just put it in your bag. I personally don't love power bars, which is really a go-to, kind of travel item when you are on a special diet. There are tons of gluten-free ones. But for me, I just find with the sugars in them, I just don't react so well to them. And I don't find they keep me full for a long time like lentils or the egg whites do. So I find these are great grab-and-go items, and I hope you can find them in your local supermarkets. If you have a great new item, note it below. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. If you want to see a wonderful recipe with these organic lentils, I'm going to be posting a salad recipe on my website, www.theglutenfreemaven.com. Have a great day.